Yesterday we looked at the story of Krishna as Ranchod Das. Today we will be answering the question which is often asked in Mahabharat war, when his wheel was eaten up or wheel got stuck, why did Karna not simply get onto another chariot, and why did he go to take out the wheel? In those days, in war, especially the Senapati would have a number of chariots following him, and there are many instances where one chariot is broken, the warrior gets onto another chariot and continues the battle. So, why did Karna not do it? Remember this, Karna became the Senapati on the 17th day, and he had put up a condition that Shalya should be his Sarathi. Shalya was an expert Sarathi, but Shalya put two counter conditions. One was that Shalya himself, being a king, he will not take any orders from Karna. And second, whatever Shalya would say during the war, Karna will not negate it. In fact, this was a potent weapon against Karna that Shalya used again and again. At crucial points in the Mahabharat war, Shalya will point out Karna's mistakes or negative qualities or weaknesses in such a way that his enthusiasm would wane. Nevertheless, Karna wanted Shalya to be his Sarathi because there was nobody comparable to Shalya in doing the Sarathya of the chariot. So, when the wheel was stuck, Karna could not order Shalya to go and retrieve it. The chariot would not move till the wheel is stuck. When the chariot would not move, he would be easy target for Arjun to kill. That is why movement of the chariot was essential. The warrior is important, but the charioteer also is important, because the charioteer keeps the horses in check, keeps the chariot moving, and keeps on moving the chariot in such a way that many of the Shaktis which are thrown at it by the opponent are seen in advance and avoided. So, charioteer is a very important part in the battle. That was number one. Second, Karna was a Shabdavedi, and once when he had gone hunting, he sent an arrow based on the sound he heard, thinking that it was a wild animal, but it was a cow of a Pandita, a Yajna cow, which is very sacred cow, and the cow died. So, the Pandita had said that you have made my Yajna Nishphala, so you too will have a retaliation of this event. And when the wheel got stuck, Karna was reminded of this shapa. Furthermore, he had gone to Parshurama, and we know the story that he learnt various astra from Parshurama, but he had taken that vidya without disclosing his identity as a Kshatriya, and that is why at the end of it Parshuram told him that at crucial moment you will forget the mantra which bring this astra into action. So, this was the third point. And Karna, since morning there was war, he was continuously in the activity of the battle, and now he had realized one thing, that Arjun was becoming stronger and stronger in the battle. Karna has started forgetting the mantra that he was supposed to remember, and then the wheel stuck. So, things were occurring in a negative direction, and Karna was tired, confused, and internally mangled. So he had to somehow or other buy time one way or the other, and that is why he himself got down from the chariot to take out the wheel. The intention or the idea was to buy time, take time, and he had every guarantee that Arjun would not shoot at him when he is unarmed. He is on the ground, he is taking out the wheel. That is the time Arjun will not shoot, because that does not fall under Dharma Yuddha. But he had forgotten about Krishna, who was on the other side, and Arjun wouldn't do it, but Krishna reminded him, तेव्हा राधा सुता गेला कुठे तुझा धर्म. That is Radha Suta. Radha Suta is a name of Karna as the son of Radha, and he that is Krishna recited instances from Karna's life when Karna had not followed dharma or the rules of dharma, and he counter asked, when you did not follow dharma in so many instances, why are you trying to ask Arjun to follow the dharma? Arjun shot the arrow and killed Karna. So in a way it was adharma, but in a way it was not adharma because it was guided by dharma himself, that is Krishna. And this is the reason why Karna did not choose to go on to another chariot to continue the battle. So this is a mystery that is asked time and again, and we take it to clear up the mysteries or clear up the contradictions, apparent contradictions which are there in our itihasa, by giving you the proper explanation in this episode of Ancient Wisdom. Keep watching Ancient Wisdom. Namaskar.